Amanda wrote this one. You get a bonus if you guess who wrote it.
What's the bonus?
You get to carry our equipment to the van! You can come to our next show. And such good bonuses that we have.
She's giving out hugs. Okay?
You're not going to want to hug me when I get down from this side.
You still don't want to hug me. That's part of why it's ironic.
Little one, I know I was blind to let you go. But after all, I'm just another, not a saint. Got tired of trying, baby, it's just not your time. But I hope that you come back to me someday. Oh, Josephine, take pity on me. Sleep in my